wherein heavy rains and thunderstorms have lashed Bengaluru, causing major disruptions across the city. The southwest monsoon has hit Karnataka, bringing widespread rainfall. Bengaluru has been particularly affected, with an orange alert in place. Now over 200 trees have been uprooted. Traffic is at a complete standstill in many areas, with major delays having been reported last night. Even after the rain, the trees are still covered in many places, and clearing of the trees has become quite a challenge for the corporation. In many places, the trees are still not cleared, despite the operation having continued throughout the night. At this point, we have our colleague Wajiullah joining us on the broadcast to bring us the latest updates. Waji, do help us understand what exactly is the situation on the ground, how far have the trees been cleared up in several areas across Bengaluru, and what are the water levels across the city at this point?
Let me first show you where I'm standing. I'm right now at Wilson Garden, Third Cross, and this is the particular scene that you can see behind me. This tree has been uprooted because of the unprecedented rain we received last night, close to 100 mm of rain that the city received. But before I could get into the details of it, there are a few people who I was speaking to who work nearby, and let me just tell you, मैम ये जो कल बारिश आपने देखी उसके बारे में आपका क्या रहा था एक्सपीरियंस? आप लोग सेफ थे कल, कैसा था? मैं पकड़ लेता हूँ.
Yeah, actually yesterday when it was raining, eventually it was Sunday, so most of the people we were not outside, but we could still. But suddenly after that half an hour or 45 minutes, there were the power cuts. Then we could feel that there was a crisis of water also. And today when we were coming, because I'm just walking, we are walking in Sri Clinica, Clinic of Parivar Seva Sanstha. It's a woman clinic and I'm married to a woman. I was dropped by the auto, I think 500 meters away. Because they told that there are the posts are up, state electric post. Please don't go because it's very risky. The situation is very risky. Please do something because this needs to be cleared. The power needs to be resumed because then we can also get the water.
So you were taking pictures also, will you be informing?
Yeah, because I was taking the picture just to inform all my colleagues and to whatever our book plans so that they do not face any trouble when they will be reaching to this place. And also we must alert the children because you see a very small passage is over there, but all the electric wires are hanging. So at any time, any moment, there can be any sort of accident. That also needs to be taken care of.
Well, that was one of the citizens of the nearby area. Ma'am, you were also stuck somewhere while coming?
Oh, yes. That is the reason I got late today.
Achha.
Actually, my timing is 9 o'clock. So I got late today in regarding that.
So you see people are getting late also because of the rains that are nearby. I have one more person over. Sir, आप भी कहीं अटके हुए थे कितनी देर तक कहीं? हाँ, कल बारिश में कहीं अटके थे, आज सुबह कहीं प्रॉब्लम तकलीफ हुई और ऐसा कितनी जगह देखते हैं आप इसमें? ऐसा दो तीन जगह होगा गली में और व्हाइट फील्ड के पास है. हाँ, हाँ. तो आप अभी कहाँ घूम कर आए थे? ये तो इधर भी जैसे रोड गया था. हाँ. इधर भी हालत कैसी? उधर क्या दूँगी? इधर है व्हाइट फील्ड तरफ. Okay. Yeah, व्हाइट फील्ड. So what he's telling me is that nearby he's just went around and he came back and there were a lot of trees like this was fallen. I have one of the residents also over here. Sir, is there current in your house?
Yeah, current is there. But I'm a doctor. We are running a daycare center here. And from both the sides, the road has been jammed since yesterday night, and we've constantly been calling Westbound numbers. But we've got no response. And our patients have to come, and from both the ways, the road is blocked.
Okay.
Since yesterday night.
So when did this tree fall last night?
I think around 6:37 last night is when the tree fell. And since then we've kept calling the Bestcom 1912 number. So we've got no response.
No response yet. So these are some of the woes of.
Well, that was Mohammad Wajiullah bringing us the latest updates from Bengaluru. Several roads continue to be blocked even this morning after rains caused mayhem across the city yesterday. Unprecedented showers, in fact.